Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a few small leather gifts I received from Range Leather. I'm going to give you my first impressions of the brand based on our recent communication and what they've sent me. But first, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa Goddard and I love talking about leather goods so much that in addition to this YouTube channel, I have a weekly podcast called the Pebbled Leather Podcast. It's available on Spotify and Apple Podcasts, so please check it out and follow me on Instagram at LisaLovesLeather. I'll put all the links down below. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. If you'd like to collaborate with me on anything, or if you have a suggestion on which bag I should review next, please reach out to me at lisalovesleather@gmail.com. Now, let's get into this box. Well, before I find out what's inside, let me first tell you how I discovered this brand. Your girl was Googling late at night, like she always does, and I discovered this brand that makes handcrafted leather goods in Wyoming. So I was checking it out, I was liking what I was seeing, but one of the first things I do when I'm considering a new brand for my channel is I check the About Us or the Our Story section of the brand's website. I find myself looking first and foremost for a company that has Christian values like my own, and I want to be able to stand behind the brands I feature on this channel. And so I'm often looking for evidence of, you know, a good moral character of the brand entity, or, you know, at least the owner, in addition to good craftsmanship, you know, of the products that they make. So Range Leather's Our Story page gave me some insight as to who they might be as people and as a brand. So I started asking them questions just to uncover this brand a bit more for you guys, my viewers, and I like what I saw and I like what I heard. So let's see what they sent me, shall we? All right, so, we've got a little business card here. Crafted to wear in, not out. I love that. And, this is with a store in Wyoming. So cool. It was built in the 1890s and renovated in 2020. Little packing slip. Oh, what is this? Let's see. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. There's 4 of these little things inside. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, this is really nice. You know what? I love things that are packaged nicely because especially if you're going to like give a gift to someone, you know, they've done all the work for you. Oh my goodness. Look, that is so cool. And they sell it on a piece of leather. This is also a piece of leather. Those are beautiful earrings. Oh, thanks, Range Leather. I like those. Let's see what else they sent. Ooh, this looks like a bracelet, a wrap bracelet. That's really, really beautiful. Okay, there's another one in here. I love that it says full grain leather. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I can totally see myself wearing these. I can't wait to put these on. Oh, look at the stuffing down there. So cute. Last box. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be fun to wear. It's brass. It's gonna match my bags. Thank you, Range Leather. I absolutely love everything. Woohoo! Range Leather sources all of their hides from the Horween Tannery in Chicago. Horween tans by hand, and Range Leather crafts their pieces by hand, so anything you buy from them is truly a labor of love. All of their pieces come with a lifetime guarantee, and orders ship free over $100. They have small leather goods like earrings, wrap bracelets, Apple Watch bands, trucker hats, beanies, wallets, keychains, journals, belts, even those cute leather wraps for a succulent. It's like for a little planter. But they also have the big beauties like full grain vegetable tan totes, backpacks, crossbodies. It's awesome. If you sign up to get their emails, you'll get a code for free shipping on your first order. So it's a great way to try them out, especially if you want to get something small to start out with. This spring, I'll be reviewing one of their tote bags for you, and I'm so excited. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss that. Now, before you click off this video, don't forget to go to the Pebbled Leather podcast and subscribe. I've got some exciting upcoming interviews planned, so you won't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.